What's up, gang? It's your boy BC3, aka BC3 Kicks, and we back with another video, man. The first video of 2022. We pulling up and checking out the Rotate Sneaker Show, man. They got a lot of local artists, They got a lot of local vendors, out of town vendors, everybody resellers. But we ready to go check this one out. I'm gonna give y'all some content while I'm in there, man. I don't got no headphones, so y'all might not be able to hear nothing, but hey, we there. How you doing? I'm good. How you? Huh?
Can't get over here, I got everything.
Oh, yeah. That's facts though. When you the OG like that, you got everything, man. I know. I kind of figured. I just can't evolve. We got the big dog here, y'all. Biggest sneakerhead in the city. I swear, the OG, the EOG. All right, big homie. Yeah, y'all. We up here at the Rotate Sneaker Show. Ready to check out some shit. See what they got in this bitch. I can't hear me. I left my headphones down. I'm looking for my dog first. As soon as I find my dog, we can look at everything else. But scrolling through. Got my boy Adam right there. Yes, sir.
You know, I gotta get right, man.
Yeah. We got my dog right here.
Yes, sir, man.
If you ain't tapped in with him, you need to tap in with him, because he got that shit.
Yo, if you know, you know.
For sure, bro. Alright, y'all, we ready to go check out some more tables real quick. We gonna pull back around to some more shit, see what some of these spots got. We got the phone cases. What's going on, boss? You got an Instagram, boss?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Kicks Kings RDU, KICK.
Kick Kings RDU, y'all. He got these dope phone cases, key fobs, and he got some kicks right here, y'all. He got some heat. What's going on, boss?
Oh, what's going on, boss? How you been?
Nothing much, just getting a little content. What's the name of your brand?
It's called Black Flower Apparel. Started in 2018, doing pop-ups since 2019. Everything here has touched by no less than 3 Black-owned businesses. So everything is all representing black culture or history. So everything here is all Black-owned or done.
Yo, bro. You got Instagram where I can follow you?
I do.
I know I had to pull up on my boy. Hold on. What do we at? Oh. Y'all already know it's my boy FYBB. Y'all know he stay with the kicks though. Y'all know where to pull up for his clothes too. There's a lot of heat up this bitch, y'all. What's up, bro? I'm good. Yeah, there's a lot of heat up this joint, bro. We got the OG right here checking out some clothes, y'all. Got the OG right here checking out some clothes. Let me see what you got on today, OG. OG Mr. Put It On for real, y'all.
Look, regular shit today, you know what I'm saying? Little,
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying?
Kicks booming, you know.
Swipers, and then, you know what I'm saying?
Big dog getting it. Yes, sir. Joe. No doubt.
What about these?
Not at the moment. I have to find that one for you. One or 1.5? I got you. All right, thank you. Yes, sir. Y'all take it easy. What's up, y'all? I'm still up here. Got my dog from NBM Kicks.
How y'all doing?
The GOAT himself. Just to put that shit on for real.
Man, what's up, y'all? Owner NBM Kicks, 511 North Harrison Street, man. Come see us, y'all. Y'all know how to do it.
Y'all make sure y'all pull up on the game, man. Y'all know down here we don't hate on nobody. We really work. We all work together, y'all. So y'all know I'm gonna show love to everybody in the game. But yeah, y'all make sure y'all check them out, bro. They got a lot of heat. Y'all saw that they got the trophy room, mags, everything, bro. Y'all pull up. Got my dog right here. Y'all know that shit snap.
You already know, man. If this shit ain't stamped, it ain't official.
You already know. Show y'all some of his shit. Put his gram on here too. Y'all make sure y'all shop with bro for real though.
Hold on, man. I gotta get my nigga too on matchup.
I nigga got everything, bro. I been seeing you do it. I'm like, my nigga turning up with this shit.
The next song y'all gonna
got a lot of heat over here at the Kicks Moment table, y'all. I'm gonna put their gram in it too.
Come check us out.
Yeah, for sure. Got the boy Alex right there. Go ahead, you get in it too. Oh, y'all know it's real. He got it heated up. Yes, sir. Look, y'all, my boy Mike. Y'all know where to pull up on us at. Y'all know where to pull up on us at. My boy got that. Man, I ain't really tell y'all. Mike my dog though. But y'all know where to pull up on us at Elite Kicks. What's y'all Instagram, boss? What's y'all Instagram? Y'all got an Instagram or something y'all sell off?
Weezy Kicks.
Weezy Kicks. Weezy Kicks? I got you. Weezy Kicks. With a Z. I got you, boss. Oh, what's up, bro? I get a car, boss? Yeah. What's y'all Instagram? Is it on here?
Yep.
They go their Instagram right here, y'all. You got the PS5, got the Supreme drip, everything right here. Got your kicks for you. We got the Crocs. Y'all tell Kenny get up and do some work. Okay, Kenny. Tell him where to follow you at, Kenny.
K3 Kicks, y'all already know what's going on.
My boy got all that shit up here. Y'all don't even got these no more. Y'all dead ass don't got these no more. My boy got that shit. What the hell y'all know? Y'all know who that is. Y'all dog right here with all that shit up there. This shit got all that shit up there. Hey, shit. My nigga, this shit got all that shit up there. Yes, sir. Man, this shit, they got some shit in here, y'all. If y'all don't know my boy Instagram, Zero Shake. They gotta follow him.
That's the boy O'Shea, 0 SATY.
Yeah. Y'all come shop. Y'all know my niggas stay with the kicks, man. So pull up. What's going on, boss? Got the table right here, prolific closet. We got that heat. Got everything wrapped up. Y'all ain't seen nothing wrapped up over here yet.
Grand open on Wednesday.
Grand opening on Wednesday? Oh, I appreciate it. There go his car right here, y'all. Grand opening Wednesday. What's good, G? What's good, G? This your brand?
Yes, sir.
What's your Instagram, boss?
WildExpensive.clothing.com.
Say it one more time.
WildExpensive.clothing.
I got that. I'm gonna put it on there for you. Mike got me out here trying to sell, y'all. Look at Mike. Mike got me trying to sell, y'all. Hey, Alex, y'all buying? It's like a woman 7. Oh, yeah. I figured I just trying to see. Bro trying to unload them, that's it. What's going on, boss? This all you? You got Instagram?
Yeah. Instagram? Yeah, take one of the business cards. And we got that pop-up thing. It gives you all the links to everything we got.
Right here?
Yeah.
I appreciate it, boss. Leaving the event, man. Y'all go ahead and comment down below what vendors was y'all rocking with. Y'all saw the shoes and everything like that, man. I'm gonna give y'all more content like this, more like me going to events and stuff like that. But appreciate y'all for tuning in. If you ain't already clicked that subscribe button, go ahead click that subscribe button, like and comment on the video, man. And y'all stay tuned for future videos coming soon, man. Next show gonna be a movie.